0505, go ahead.
Sir, JT.
Copy that alongside JT. Quintabros, go ahead.
Without passengers, 6 crew running free. Over.
You're from Arquerodon GT going to?
Sir, this channel, first channel.
Why are you going to outside channel?
Sir, shallow water, sir. I can go outside channel and waiting for one partner.
You're waiting for one barge, and where are you going to stand by there outside the channel?
Here, conductor P1.
Roger, copy that, contractor Squirrel. You proceed to contractor Squirrel and wait for the high water. How many passenger and crew do you have on board?
6 crew without passengers.
Roger, copy that. You have no passenger and you have only 6 crew. You can proceed, Quintabros.
Yeah, nggak apa-apa lagi, nggak apa-apa.
Viva Radio Room, Chios.
Yes, Chios, go ahead.
Star request permission. Jama 12. Akamat Kreibat. Running free without passenger over.
Kita ini
From the Mam 1 going to Akamas Crane Barge, how many passengers?
Without passenger, 4 crew over.
Copy that, 4 crew.
balik.
For your information, sir,
Jadi
dump
pas sampai jam
time
6.30 over.
19:15, position 262.060, offset 140. Over.
Dumping time 1913 and dumping box 262.060 and offset 140.
Kecepatan
1915, sir. And yes, the rest is correct. Over.
Roger, sir. Okay, the dumping time is 1915 and the dumping box is 262.060 and offset 140.
Thank you very much, sir. That's
Alpha
excellent.
Tango 1301, go ahead.
Welcome, sir.
request permission from Hyundai mooring to Imal Island DB 2501. Safety bar DB 2008. Sendiri. Jadi
From Hyundai Mooring going to?
di Imal Island DB 2501. Jadi kita sampai di
Imal Island DB2501.
kembali
What is the name of the barge you're going to tow?
balik DB 2008. Udah. Bisa jam 30. Jadi
Okay.
bolak-balik.
Roger, Alpha Tango 1301, copy that. You're from Hyundai Mooring going to Imal Island DB2501 and you are towing DB2008. You can proceed.
Oke deh, oke. Jadi ke kiri sekarang nih, biar saya ijazah. Ya, kita baru duluan ke kiri. Berapa? 075, Ol? Roger. Oke, saya ijazah saja. Oke, Cap, makasih. Yuk, 12. 12, stop. Makasih.
Phoenix Sanfield. Phoenix Sanfield.
Sunfield, Phoenix.
Okay, we change over already.
Okay, we start again.
Thank you.
Station code is 1 to 2,